video, I'm gonna walk you through how to download TikTok application on your PC. Keep watching the video till the end. In order to download TikTok on your PC, the first thing you'll need to do is get an Android emulator. You can only download the application with the help of an Android emulator, since the Android emulator stimulates Android devices on your computer so that you can test your application on a variety of devices. Which means all of the applications that are available on your Play Store or your App Store will be available on your PC if you install the Android emulator. You can download any Android emulator that you find. In my case, I've downloaded the BlueStacks Android emulator. Download it on your device and simply click it open. Wait until the Android emulator loads. Now, from the home screen of BlueStacks, go and click on the Play Store option. In order to reach this page, you might be asked to enter your Google account's credentials. Simply type it in and you'll end up in this page. Go to the search box and type in TikTok and search. You'll be able to find the application in the search display. Click on Install. In order to download the application, the download process might take a while depending upon your internet speed. Once it downloads, wait for it to install. After it is downloaded and installed, click it Open. And with this, you'll be able to use TikTok on your PC as well. Go ahead and sign up for a new TikTok account or log into an existing account and get started.